Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the front turning signal of the 2024 Toyota Highlander. So out here I have two different parts. This is the Lasfit that was sent to me. This is the part numbers. If you want to pause that and take a picture of the part numbers. This is just a regular LED front turn signal. This is a different one. This is the switchback for the front light turn signal, which is the dual colors. So this is the part numbers right here. Okay, now let's open the hood and then start it. Okay, as the hood open, so we're gonna go ahead and try to locate the front turn signal so we can get the bolts out along with the housing. So right here I got the flashlight. Yeah, I'm installed at night. And then right here is the windshield reservoir. So this is the LED. This is the housing light right here. So all you need to do is just put your hands in here and then turn it kind of clockwise, and then the whole thing gonna come right out. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the bolts out. Alright, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back guys. So what I did is I just used two hands and then you just pull them apart, and that's it. Because I'm one hand recording and then the other hand is I cannot pull it. I don't have the leverage to pull it, so I have to use both hands. So now let's try the regular no switchback LED first and see what does it look like. So this is just a regular LED bolt, no switchback. The switchback means dual colors. So what you need to do is just plug it in like that, and then put it back in. So that's just the hole right there, and then you turn it clockwise. Okay guys, I'm back. So just want to let you know, so I already put it in, so now I'm gonna take it out so you can see this. So make sure when you put it in, you can be careful that there is some kind of like a plastic piece right here, and then right here, 4 of them at right here, and then right here. You gotta make sure that they fit into the grooves. So, and then don't put it wrong, because there are 4 of them. So 4 plastic pieces right here, and then 4 groove inside. Make sure you put them in the correct orientation, and then just slightly turn it. Don't overturn it. So like that, and then it's gonna stick. It's gonna stay right there. So now let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle and see what's the light look like. So this side is the Lasfit LED bulb, and then this side is just a regular halogen bulb from Toyota. So let me see if I can get a different angle and see how bright it is for you guys. So you can pretty much see that this side is brighter than that side. So this is the regular halogen bulb. So let's go ahead and turn on the signal and see how bright it is compared to the halogen stock light. So this is the this side is the Lasfit LED light. So let's go ahead and turn the other side. You see, this side is just a regular halogen bulb. So now let's go ahead and turn on the emergency light. So both of them flashing together, see which one is brighter. So you can see that the Lasfit is way brighter than the stock halogen bulb. So now let's go ahead and swap the stock halogen bulb with the switchback and see is there any difference or is there any different or anything. All right, so same procedure. Get the light and then come over here. This is the passenger side, by the way. Come over here and you see this wire right here. Take your hands underneath, rotate kind of clockwise, the bulb come right out. So let's go ahead. Ow, it's gonna be hot, be careful guys. I didn't know that. I forgot about that. So use some type of like a towel and then carefully take it off. Make sure you don't squeeze the bulb when the bulb gonna just blow or break in your hands and it's gonna hurt you. So this is the switchback. Okay, got it in. And then the groove right here, make sure they fall into the groove. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle light. Okay guys, so this is the switchback. This side is the switchback with the LED light. I replace it with the halogen light, and this side is just the regular LED light from Lasfit. Both of them is Lasfit brand, but this side is this side have the switchback, which is the dual color. This side is only one single color. So now let's try to see if I turn the signal on. This side should be amber. Oh wow, I kind of like the switchback. So let's go ahead and turn signal on the driver's side. This is just a regular LED front turn signal with no switchback. Let's see if I turn on the emergency and see if any different. So this is my emergency light. So emergency light is on. Regular LED from Lasfit. Switchback LED dual color from Lasfit. So you can see that it's actually white. However, when the signal light or the emergency light is on, automatically it's gonna turn to ambers. And then when the turn signal is off and the emergency light is off, it's gonna turn to white, which is I kind of like it. So final look. Alright, that is all. So once again, this is the part number for the switchback front turn signal for 2024 Toyota Highlanders. So you want to pause the video and take a picture of that. And this is just the regular LED from Lasfit. Thank you.